Right, so here we are again. Here we are again. Saturday morning, as Heidi calls him, Zach Sparrow. So Zach's putting on the carburetors today. We was going to put the exhaust on, but with no exhaust gaskets. So he's just put the rubbers on now, and now he's just oiling up the massive fucking Jubilee clips. So what he's going to do now is going to take this shit out here, just put a smidgen of oil round the top of these, and then just engine oil, and then he's going to put the carburetors on. They should just push in then. In the meantime, I've just been out for a spin on my bike, just down to Ebden Bridge and back. It's fucking freezing, my fingers are dropping off.
Police everywhere.
Yeah, oh yeah, there's police everywhere at Ebden Bridge, on canal. I think somebody's jumped in or something and killed themselves or whatever. And then what I'm going to do then is, once my fingers have warmed up, I'm going to get all this shit out in front of my ZX12. I'm going to move my ZX12 closer to the door, because I want to start working on that now. I brought all the stuff down. So I brought all my stuff down for the ZX12, the new fucking stator and the new rectifier and stuff like that, so, and the new chain. So I'm going to start doing that, I think. But I need to clear all that shit out. Right, anyway, I'll leave Zach to do what he's doing. What, Dave? All Dave wants me to do is throw his fucking stone. Right, bye. So the only thing we've done today is Zach's put the carbs on, and he's now just putting the exhaust on. There's a few things missing, so we need to have a rummage round for that. That's just that silly flap thing. So he's got the carbs on. Obviously we need to connect up the throttle cables, but we haven't got time now because the boss has turned up.
Yeah, and you're going home.
And it means we've got to go home.
Correct.
So I've moved my ZX12 a bit closer to the door, because next week I am 100% going to drag that out and do that. So I'm just making room, I'm just piling all this shit back in here now, so we can get the bikes back in. So, right. So a bit of a short one today, I'm afraid. That's all we've done, isn't it, Zach?
Yeah.
So he's just, but he's put the carbs on by himself, which is good. And he's putting the exhaust on. I give it a quick blast of paint. That oil filter's fucked, but we've got a brand new one there anyway. We've got some brand new spark plugs for it. So, but we need this bracket here. Do you know that bracket? We've lost that, so we need that. That's why we're putting the end can on and bolting it up there, just to support it a little bit. That's all. But anyway, right.